Hey there! Welcome to today's video where we'll delve into an interesting problem regarding Windows Terminal. Have you ever noticed that it prints out a message saying restore date time when you launch it? This peculiar message pops up specifically when the terminal is restoring a previous session, usually after a restart or a crash. Strangely enough, you won't see this message when opening new tabs, only when it's in restoration mode. It's one of those little mysteries that can make you go, huh, what's that about? Now, let's dive into the solution to this enigma. What happens is that Windows Terminal displays the restored date time message solely when it's in the process of recovering a previous session. This typically occurs after the system restarts or experiences a crash. Interestingly, this message is simply for informational purposes and cannot be disabled, as far as we know. Normal tab creation won't trigger this message. It's exclusively reserved for those restoration moments. Quite the quirky behavior when you say, in summary, Windows Terminal's mysterious message, restore date time, is no cause for alarm. It's just the terminal informing you that it's restoring a previous session after a restart or crash. While this message may seem random, it serves as a helpful notification rather than a sign of trouble. So next time you see it, just remember it's Windows Terminal doing its thing. Thanks for tuning in, and if you enjoyed today's content, don't forget to subscribe, like the video, and drop a comment below with your thoughts. Until next time, happy coding!